Good morning. All right, so every morning I like to come out to my grow room and I like to come check on the plants and see how they're doing. Here's some really good looking tomato plants. I've got ones that aren't so good looking, so I've got to replant those and get them up. I've got some other baby ones, some other ones. I got broccoli and cabbage and stuff that are looking really good. I've got herbs, and I've got more and more and more. So I'm out here watering, just talking to them and hanging out. And then I hear a big bird chirp, and I'm like, oh, did the cats drag in a bird or something? Because I share the room with the kittens, which is, you know, farm life, kind of weird. Or is there a nest right outside the window or something? I don't know. So then I'm continuing watering, not even thinking. And then, oh, look what we have here. One of the eggs have hatched. He was already chirping at me. Can you believe it? So there he was, and I didn't even recognize. So welcome. So we've got one that's already popped out. This is our first time, so this is fun. The one with the white on the shell, that one's just wanting to kind of make a little peekaboo statement. So how fun is that? So plants, kittens, and baby chicks now. We're in it now, babies.